how to add the air quality index weather widget to the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold on an empty spot. After that, we go down and tap on wallpaper and style. In here, tap on the left hand side panel, which is the lock screen panel. Then tap on the widget panel just below the clock. From the pop-up list of widgets, scroll down. Then tap on weather. In here, you want to tap on the AQI, the Air Quality Index widget, and that will be added to your widget panel. Now tap on the Done button to save the changes. Finally, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now press on the side button to go to your lock screen, and you can view the Air Quality Index directly from your lock screen. And that's it. Here you can, from the weather app, you can scroll down and view more information. Here we got the air quality index. It shows 35, which is good. Primary pollutant is 0.3. So air quality index is good in this region. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find the video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.